RX.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Hi, this is the BetaFPV Air65, and I got the problem that the receiver is sometimes disconnecting. So I got in the display RX loss, and it failsafes and just drops. And I want to see if there is a loose connection or so, because I updated the transmitter, I updated the receiver with the latest firmware, reflashed Betaflight, checked all kind of settings, tried multiple frequencies for ELRS, also tried different versions ELRS, but nothing works. And I just found out that it looks like there's a loose contact, so I will get a battery and then come back. So I got a full battery.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, LQ, RSSI. This is, by the way, a ceramic tip, so I will just tip some components here. It will not shortcut, just to see if I can find out where the loose connection is, if there's a loose connection. This is the green LED. I think it's saying something about if ELRS is active. And what I also noticed is that when I plug in the USB cable, there's no problem at all. It doesn't drop or something. But you see the green LED. So I just bent this and something moves, and you see what's happening.
Telemetry lost.
So
Telemetry recovered.
it's clearly that there is a contact that is not functioning well, and I want to find out which contact it is. So it looks like every time I bend this feet here, don't know what it is. Maybe. Nope. What is this? Okay. I will just dive deeper in and see if I can find it and then come back. So just to be sure, I want to check again with the USB cable. Need to get the cable. Okay, so here it is. Plug it in. Where is the other side? Here. Okay.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay. Now let's see. Look, no problem. The LED is just staying on. So you would say that somewhere near the battery doesn't have a good connection. I can try to resolder the wires here. But as you can see, oh, let's try to turn it off. LED is off, but there it goes.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Okay, so it's not only USB. That's nice, because then it's probably more close here. Okay, I will put this under the microscope and see if there are any other connections that might be it, because we should be able to fix this. So after some pulling and pushing on components, I think I found it. Okay, check this out. So I think this is the ELRS chip. If I grab it, I pull it a bit, it's off. I don't see LQ dropping now, so maybe it's only the LED contact. Cannot imagine actually. Oh,
Telemetry
yeah, there it
lost.
goes.
Telemetry recovered.
So, oh yeah. A little bit difficult, of course, to pull, but if I push it, there's a nice contact. So let's see if I keep on pressing on it and then do the bending thing, what I just did, because every time I bend it, yeah, then this happens, you see? So the LED is bright, less bright. So let's see, how can I do this? So maybe I can. Okay. Keep on pushing on the chip. Let's see. A little bit difficult. Yeah, now I push on the chip and now I bend. Nothing happens. Now there's a steady contact. But also now. But yeah, there it is. Okay. And you see,
Telemetry lost.
immediately gone. So let's push on the chip. And it's back.
Telemetry recovered.
I think this is quite clear. I will go to my work. We have a really nice microscope, way more nicer than this microscope, and then I can see if I can fix it. What I also have is, sorry, I said fix it, I want to see it, see if there's a loose contact. I think it's too small. Okay, so what I've been doing is went to my job, we took a good look under the microscope, and I saw that the connections from the ELRS chip were really poorly soldered. Like it was just enough solder to hold the chip in place actually. So what I did was I reworked the chip. So applied a little bit of solder with the hot air gun, redone all the connections, then cleaned it very well, checked it under microscope again to make sure if there is no shortcut or something else. What I did now is made a connection to my power supply, put a maximum of like a little bit less than 1 amp, I think is enough. Should be fine. So in this case, if there is a shortcut, then it will not blow up immediately. Okay, well, moment of truth.
Welcome to HTX.
Let's see, so power on, 4 volts, 0.7 amps. No smoke. Hey, Ellie, what's happening? Okay, I know what's happening. Two less amps. Two little amps, yeah. It looks fine. Okay, to make the motors beep, it used a little bit more amps than the limit I was giving it. That's why it restarted again. But looks good. Try pull a little bit on the chip. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's try and bend the PCB a little bit or apply some pressure here and there. Okay, it gets warm already. I don't have a second power supply to power my fan. But yeah, looks good. Let's put it all together again and do a test.